Network Programming Overview. Hello everyone, welcome to the first section of this course. My name is Martin Y, and in this course I'm going to be teaching you in how to use Python for network programming. The course will actually concentrate on writing programs for networks that are using the Internet Protocol or the IP. But why we're going to concentrate specifically on the IP but not on the other type of protocols? Well, the reason is that the IP and the TCP protocols are the most widely used in today's networks. So these protocols are used by basically anything in internet, and by learning the TCP IP protocols and how to access the different devices by IP addresses, you can basically learn how to connect and use basically any device out there on the web. So in this section we're actually going to cover an introduction to TCP and IP networks, which we already started, the main concepts of the protocols and the problems that the protocols can actually solve. We'll cover addressing. We're going to work with Flask and HTTP in order to create RESTful web application and actually use it and show how these applications work. And we're also going to do the interacting Flask and the connection with the SQL database. So basically this section will have two major subsections. The first one will be the introduction to the TCP IP networks, and we're basically going to talk about the essential network concepts so we're on the same page when using the softwares afterwards and when trying to connect to different devices through internet. We will talk about how IP allows data transfer between different networks, and basically how the TCP and IP provides us with services to help develop network applications. So depending on your background, and for example if you are already familiar with what IP address is and what the TCP protocol is, as well as the user datagram protocol, then you might consider skipping this section, which I actually don't advise you, because even though you have some knowledge about all these topics, it is a good me and you that we're on the same page so we both understand what we're talking about in the sections afterwards. So the second part of this section will actually talk about how the network programming is achieved by Python. So in there I will provide you an overview about the basic network elements and principles. We're going to discuss how Python supports the network programming, and we're going to talk about different libraries that Python uses for that aim. And finally, I'm going to show you a very simple to use tool which is called Wireshark, that can basically explore protocols in the network that is usually used for programming diagnostics. We're also going to install finally the PyShark module in our devices and basically see how Wireshark can be accessed with PyShark from Python. So to complete this course, I would assume that you already installed Python, which is described in our initial sections, in our first sections where I talked about how to install basically Python. And throughout the course, we're of course going to install some other softwares in order to use them on our computers. That's it guys, thank you very much for watching this overview lecture, and in the next lecture we're going to talk about the IP and the TCP protocols. Thanks for watching.